What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Live Unfiltered. It's already episode 4, I think. We just saw.
Surrounded by vloggers, bro. It's unreal, bro. I'm going to bed now. So guys, today
So
I'm about to vlog.
we just shot sunrise. I flew the drone.
Bro.
Time lapse with my Edelkrone, but it was a bit fucked up again.
Girl, get stoned on you. Rubbing my bones on you. Nothing else but
We're now heading back to the van, and the trip can start. By the way, I'm at Cares. What's the name of the lake again? Lago di Carese. Very nice. Look at the view behind me.
the way you shiver, even in the morning. Girl, get stoned on you. Rubbing my bones on you. Nothing else smells like you. Ripping my shirt off you. Oh yeah. My fingertips on your lips, a racing hand down your hips. Girl, I get stoned on you. Rubbing my bones on you. Yeah. Nothing else burns like you do. Oh no, I get stoned on you. Stoned. Girl, I get stoned on you. Rubbing my bones on you. Rubbing my bones on you. Oh. Nothing else burns like you. Nothing ever burns like you. Ripping my shirt off you. No, you give me so out of my mind. Out of my mind. Out of my mind.
Okay, so right now we are going to take a shower. What happened yesterday is that we drove to Croatia 4 hours, but we had nowhere to camp, nowhere to stay. All the coastline is you have to pay to get there. We couldn't get the van anywhere near the coast. We drove back to the mountains, not to the Dolomites, but to the Slovenian Alps. Right now there's kind of a storm coming in. We are going to shower, as I said, but I think it's only gonna be the head, just a quick dip. So I'm gonna set up the camera, enjoy my naked body. See you back in a second.
Nice. behind us you have this very beautiful scenery. I don't know, I think it's called Laghi di Funezese. We just witnessed the most beautiful sunset ever. We had clouds coming from that way, then clouds coming from that way, and then fog going from that way to that way, and then what else, bro? Now we're waiting for blue hour. Charles is really stupid because he put his camera in the water and he has no way to adapt his exposure.
Maar de jongen niet denken, ik moet helpen,
Niet
ik
denken.
moet in de water.
There you see een kabouterpie.
Hij komt goed joh.
Okay, so we just woke up at the foot of Jaymes. We couldn't go up the pass last night. Yesterday we drove from Lago di Fucine. But we did some shoots with the car, then we drove down to here. And now we're continuing our way up to Seefeld, which is at the border of Austria and Germany. And we're going home after that. But look what happened outside right now. This is not funny at all. We have a car that's more than 2,000 kilograms and we need to get it through this. Down there. All the way down.
It's all you. It's all you.
We are now just on top of where we slept. But we gotta get down. We gotta get down this. The car weighs 2,000 kilograms and I think we don't have winter tires. We don't have snow chains. That's for sure. Okay, so last location of the trip, the Leutascher Geisterklam. We're hiking up the mountain. I think it's a heavy hike. Last night was very nice. We did the campfire. We made some nice food, all for the commercial. What is the closest we came to shooting it on a beach this trip, which is what the client wanted. just rounded up the shoots here at this DJI beautiful gorge with this awesome watercolor. It's really long actually. My cards are full, my batteries are empty. My 1DX even stopped working because it was all the water was coming in. I think the wheels started to stop responding actually. So I'm rounding up this vlog here. It's still difficult for me to vlog and make and shoot all the stuff on the other side. I hope to do more of it in the future, but for now this is it. Bye.